We will draw the graph in a year and days. Okay. On x-axis we will take years and on y-axis we will take days. Okay. Yes. Question number 5. Okay. Draw the graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. Okay, and this is years. This is number of days. This is 0. Years is 2003, 2004. 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. Okay. Now days 8, 10, 5 and 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Okay. Have you done? ग्राफ में आपके पास क्या है? ग्राफ में आपके पास क्या है? कुछ डार्क लाइन आती है, कुछ आपके पास क्या है? डिम लाइन होती है। एक तो डार्क लाइन होती है, एक लाइटर लाइन होती है।
यस सर।
ओके।
यस सर।
ओके। इन 2003 जो आपके पास डार्क लाइन है, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 2003। नेक्स्ट जो डार्क लाइन है उस पे लिखेंगे 2004। नेक्स्ट डार्क लाइन 2005 एंड नेक्स्ट 2006। ओके। In vertical lines 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Okay. Now in 2003, 8 days snowfall. 8 days. 2003, 8 days snowfall. In 2003, 8 days. Okay. In 2004, 10 days. 2004, 10 days. In 2004, 10 days. Here is 10, here 2004. Okay. And next is 2005, 5 days. 2005. 2003, 8 days. And 2004, 10 days. 2005, 5 days. 2005, 5 days. 2005, 5 days. Okay. And in 2006, 12 days. 2006, 12 days. 2006, 12 days. Any doubt? Any problem? Okay. Now we will join these points with the help of scale. Okay. Now join these points. Join these points with Have you done?
Sir, yes sir.
Any doubt, any problem? Number of men represented by dark line. and number of women represented by total line. Okay. This is y-axis and this is your x-axis. X-axis 0 and y-axis. On x-axis years. Okay. On y-axis population in thousand. Population in a thousand. Okay. 2003, 2004, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Okay. Listen to me. Population is 12,000, 11.3 thousand, more than 11,000. Okay. Now right here is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Listen to me. On vertical line, 11 to 12 gap is 1. 12 to 13 gap is 1. 13 to 14 gap is 1000 and 14 to 15 gap is 1000. But 0 to 11 gap is 11,000. In starting gap is 11,000. After that gap is 1000. स्टार्टिंग में जो गैप है कितना आपके पास 0 to 11
11,000
और 11 to 12
1,000
12 to 13 1000 13 to 14 1000 14 to 15 1000. ओके. अब जो स्टार्टिंग में जो गैप आ रहा है 0 to 11 11,000 इसको फिनिश करना है. वो फिनिश कैसे होगा? यहाँ पे किंक लगाएंगे. क्या लगाएंगे? किंक. जब स्टार्टिंग में गैप अधिक हो जाता है तो उसको फिनिश कैसे करते हैं? बाय यूजिंग किंक. यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं? किंक लगाएंगे. देखिए इसको ऐसे करेंगे. ऐसे करेंगे. ठीक है. इसका मतलब ये है कि यहां पे जो गैप है वो बहुत अधिक है 0 to 11. इस गैप को फ्रीज करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? किंक लगाते हैं. एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No sir. No sir.
अब इसके बाद 11 to 12 12 to 13 13 to 14 14 to 15 गैप इज ओनली 1000. इक्वल गैप. ओके.
Okay sir. Yes sir.
यस. अब देखिए इन 2003 नंबर ऑफ मैन आर 12. फर्स्ट वी विल रिप्रेजेंट ओनली मैन. इन 2003 man is 12. 2003 man is 12. In 2003, man is 12. Okay, this is 12 and 2003. Okay, in 2004, man is 12.5. In 2004, man is 12.5. In 12 or 13, mid is 12.5. 12.5. 12 और 13 का जो मिड होता है वो 12.5 होता है. ठीक है, दैट इज 12.5. And in 2005, man is 13,000. 13,000. 2005. 13,000. Okay. In 2006, number of men 13.2, and in 2005 13.5. 13.2 and 13.5. 13.2. 13 and 14. Mid is 13.5. Mid is 13.5. 13.5 से जो बिलो आएगा वो 13.2 आएगा बीच में. देखिए यहाँ पे 2005. That is 13.2 and 13.5 in the mid of 13 and 14. Okay, join these point by dark line. Okay, by using scale join these points. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now
No, sir.
मैं जो ये ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं एक व्हाइट बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं. आप जो ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं ग्राफ पेपर में ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, आपका एग्जैक्ट आएगा बिल्कुल. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
ओके, यस. नंबर ऑफ वुमेन 11.3. नंबर ऑफ वुमेन 11.3. ओके, इन 2003 11.3. 11 or 12 mid is, this is the midpoint, and that is 11.5. Below 11.5 that will be 11.3. 11.3. In 2004 11.9. In 2004 11.9. 11.9. Okay, yes, just below 12. Just below 12. 12 से थोड़ा सा नीचे. ओके, in 2005 13. Same in 2005 and 2000. In 2005 number of men and number of women are equal, 13,000. Okay, same point. In 2006 13.6. In 2006 number of men 13.2 and number of women 13.6. Above 13.6. 13.6. Okay, and in 2007 12.8, below 13.5. 12.8. Okay, now join these points by dotted line. Join these points by dotted line with the help of scale. Okay, Have you got it?
Okay, sir.
What is the scale taken for time axis? 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Only 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. that is 1 hour. And in 1 hour 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 unit is equal to 1 hour. टाइम स्केल यहाँ पे क्या है? 4 units. 4 units is equal to 1 hour. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Next, in 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. 4 units is equal to 1 hour. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See? Question number 6. A part. Question number 6, A part. 4 units is equal to scale. लिखो scale. Scale 4 units is equal to 1 hour. Scale 4 units is equal to 1 hour. For 1 unit is equal to 1 hour. In next part, how much time did the person take for travel? 8 to 9 1 hour, 9 to 10 next 1 hour, 10 to 11 next 1 hour, and that this is the mid of 11 and 12. 3.5 hours, 3 hours 30 minutes. 3 hours 30 minutes and 3.5 hours. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. B part. Time taken by a person for traveling. How much time? 3.5 hours. Do it. Next. How far is the place of merchant from the town? How far is the place of merchant from the town? Starting is 0 and end at 22 kilometer. Distance in 22 kilometer. Okay. So how far is the place of merchant from the town? (22 kilometer). The distance between town and merchant place. ठीक ना?
22 kilometers.
22 किलोमीटर. 22 किलोमीटर. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. Did the person stop on his way? Explain. Did the person stop on his place? देखो यहाँ पे 8 to 9 a.m. 0 to 10 किलोमीटर यहाँ पे मूव कर रहा है, ठीक है. यहां पे मूविंग है, ग्राफ में देखिए। अब 9 to 10 किलोमीटर टू 16 किलोमीटर, he is also moving, but in 10 to 10:30 time is increasing, but at 10 am person is at 16 kilometer, and at 10:30 person is also at 16 kilometer. It means ये क्या होगा बताइए भाई। आपके पास 10 am पे पर्सन क्या है 16 किलोमीटर पे है, और 10:30 पे भी 16 किलोमीटर पे है। इट मींस ही इज स्टेइंग देयर। ओके, डिड द पर्सन स्टॉप ऑन हिज वे? एक्सप्लेन। The distance of person at 10 am 16 kilometer, and at 10:30 the distance of person is 16 kilometer. Okay, so 10 to 10:30 am the person stopped on his way. The person stopped on his way. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir, you are right.
Okay, yes.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Right.
D. The person at 10 am. The person at 10 am is on 16 kilometer. Is on 16 kilometer. And 10:30 am. 10:30 am he covers 16 kilometer, same as 10 am, same as 10 am. Okay, so the person stopped 10 to 10:30 am. So the person stopped 10 am to 10:30 am on his way.